Fiskars Pro Saw. Ultimate, durable, fast cuts. All right, let's open her up. And let me show you that it's already broken. Used it 3 times. And it just hit another branch. And it just snapped off. So let's show you how it cut. So as I was pushing down, it hit another branch and then it bent the front and it just snapped right off. But I'll show you how fast it cuts. Cuts pretty good. See? Cuts good. But you're going to have a lot of returns if you don't make this blade thicker. Blade is way too thin. But the teeth are very nice and the cut's pretty good. Even the smaller branches. With the full blade on it, I was just pulling it one time and it would cut the whole branch off. So let's get another one here for you. So it's a good cut. Just too bad the piece fell off.